Here we have a 1999 Porsche Boxster, and we're going to replace the air oil separator, and it sits right there. Squeeze this. Yeah, always harder than they make it seem. Not to mention the awkward position. Yeah, that squeezing pops those outwards. I'm gonna need, there we go. Next, I'm going to undo these two 10mm bolts that hold the base in. Correction, 10mm socket head, 6mm bolt. So just like the top, where there's that squeeze clip that plugged in the top, there's another one of these squeeze clip things right there that plugs in on the bottom side right here. Unplug that, and then I'm going to just pull the whole housing away to pull the bottom end out of the engine. And then there's another clamp on the bottom. So to get the old one out, I just pulled on it. You can see I tore off the bottom of that boot there. The new one has the complete boot, and getting that hose off of that one, that was a major pain. Had to use screwdrivers to pry on both sides because I just couldn't reach in there. So I'll try and squeeze this clamp here and lift that off of there. Did I get it, kinda? Yeah, I got it. The rest of that hose that came off. I've got the new clamp on there with this nifty little blue plastic spring clip holder. Hopefully it doesn't pop off before it's fully seated. And then I can pop it off. I'll hook up the hose there, press that in, put these bolts in, and hopefully this all goes as planned. And it was kind of a tight fit getting this into here, or out, the old one out. So getting the new one in is going to be a pain also. It's kind of hard to where you and I can both see what's going on, but this will slide down in there. And there. Let's see here. So I got one hand on the light, one hand on the camera. Kind of doesn't work very well. Buy a Porsche. That'll be fun. Can you imagine working on this engine? I gotta press that in right there. I put the clamp on the very bottom of the hose separator. I got the side hose in. Now the top hose right here. I got a clip in, but this has to clip on the top right here first. I always make these look easier than they are, but man. Alright, that's on. That's on. Well, there you have it. The new oil air separator is all in, and that's it, except for putting all the rest of this back together. So that all the hood, and I don't know what you call the hood on this car. The engine cover. It's just an engine cover. That's it. There's no hood. There's a front trunk and a back trunk. There's all the engine cover stuff right here. That's a fun job.